Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to redeem your Fliff cash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Although you cannot withdraw on Fliff, you can make redemptions and receive actual funds. You can't withdraw Fliff cash directly as these virtual coins don't come in intangible form and they have no value when avoided. But as you play them through in accordance with the relevant rules and terms of services, cash prizes become available. So to redeem your Fliff cash, you must gather at least $50 worth of Fliff cash. So these virtual currencies must be played through at least once. Then you need to navigate to the redemption page and simply follow the on-screen instructions to make a request. You can also purchase anything you want in Fliff, and as a payment method, you can use your experience points, which is your points that can act like cash, and this is how you can redeem it in Fliff. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.